Hey guys, it's me Allison. Today I'm making a very special video, this video being special because it is my first video for the LPSTube Committee on LPS Amino. If you'd like to follow me on LPS Amino, all my social media is left in the description below. I've been in the committee a few times before, so technically this is my very first video. I got in 2017, but then it closed down. I got in again in 2018, but then I lost motivation and quit. I joined once again very recently, and this is my first video. This week's theme is DIY. Technically, I'm not required to do it, and I probably shouldn't do it because literally I'm leaving the state in like 10 hours, so I have to film this all in one day. But you know me, can't get enough of that stressing myself out on purpose. This is going to be a really simple and really short DIY since it's really not the best time for me to be making videos. And this is going to be a simple DIY on LPS doors. Now these do not open and close on their own, but they are simple little doors that you can use in classrooms or rooms or anything like that. Here's what the door looks like, very simple indeed. So let's get started. The supplies you will need are a tester LPS, preferably a tall one so that you make sure your door isn't too short for any of your pets, some scissors, a pencil, a hot glue gun, some cardboard, preferably brown, and a bead of some sort. I'm rather lucky since my sister collected lots of beads for jewelry and whatnot, so she has all sorts of these fancy little things. Now if you want, you can just use a marker or a Sharpie to draw on the doorknob, but of course it's more professional and more realistic to use something three-dimensional. Now you're going to take your tester pet and compare it to the cardboard. You're going to want to place your pet on top of the cardboard and then draw a box around it, not the exact same size as the pet because that would be a little bit weird, just a little bit taller and a little bit wider. Once you've shaped it out a bit to your liking, this is how it should look, and you're just going to go ahead and cut it out. Once you cut off all the excess and cut it to your liking, this is how it should look. Now you're going to go ahead and erase any remaining pencil marks. Now you're going to take your hot glue gun. Please do excuse the mess. I have my glue gun plugged up over here. Please do be careful of the temperature. And you're going to add a touch of glue in the spot you want the doorknob to be. Be careful during this step. You're going to attach the doorknob like so and let it dry for a few seconds. And there you go, there is your final product. Very simple indeed. And that's the video, everybody. I really hope this helped you out a bit, and I really hope these doors help your set glamour. Thank you guys for watching this quick, short DIY, and I'll see you all later. Bye!